Okay, Father, we're gonna do our last one. Honestly, it really is the last one. Okay? And we just want to thank you so much, the organizers, for inviting us here tonight. It is a privilege. And we really are grateful to still be sharing the music after 30 years or more. Okay, so we are going to play something classic and world famous. All over the, yeah, world famous. By Earth, Wind and Fire. And this one's going out to dedication to Morris White, the lead vocalist. Woo! Featuring on lead vocals, we got Jesse.
Do you remember the 21st night of September? Lovers changing their minds, friends in dust, while chasing the clouds away. Our hearts were ringing in the key that our soul was singing. As we dance in the night, remember how the stars stole the night away. With you, holding hands with your heart to see you. Only blue talking love. Remember how we knew love was here to stay. Now December found the love which is September. Only blue talking love. Remember, true love is here to stay.
Sing along with us. Here we go. Thank you so much.